Good day, guys. Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing the conversion of percent to decimal. During the civil service exam, makaka-encounter po kayo ng mga math problems na merong conversion ng percent to decimal or the conversion of decimal to percent. So, in this case, we'll be discussing the percent. We'll be discussing the conversion of percent to decimal. We have here 4 sets of problem: 20%, 2%, 222%, and 0.02%. Now, we will be converting these numbers into decimals. Okay, so first rule po kasi ng converting percent to decimal is we'll be redrawing this percent sign to a point or to a decimal. For example po, meron tayong 20%, then i-rewrite lang po natin yung percent to a decimal point. Ganyan. After that, we will be moving this decimal point to 2 places to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you own, just back it to the left. To the left by Beyonce. Joke lang po. So, we'll be moving this decimal point to the left. So, 1. After that, another 1, 2. So, yung mangyayari is yung decimal point ay mapupunta dito. So, and we will add 0. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Always remember po, we will rewrite this percent sign into a decimal point. After rewriting it, we will be moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Ganun lang po. So, what if kung meron tayong problem na katulad ito? So, we have 2%. Convert the percent sign to a decimal point. Ganon. After that, we will move the decimal point 2 places to the left. The problem is, we only have 1 digit. So, para kung if we only have 1 digit, then we would only add 0. Para mapunan po yung missing place. Kasi we will move this decimal point 2 places nga eh. So, 1, after that, 2. Then, the decimal sign would be here. And 0 again. Rewrite ko lang po ha. So, that would be 0.02. Okay. Next problem is, we have 222%. So, ganun rin po. Rewrite ko lang po yung mga digits. Susulat ko lang po ulit. Then, convert this percent sign to a decimal point. Then, we will move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So, yung mangyayari, yung decimal point natin is nandito na. Okay? Wag po kayong mag-alala if ever meron pong isa pang number or multiple numbers to the left. As long as you move the decimal point 2 places lang to the left, then that will be enough. So 2.22. Okay? So this one is the last problem is very tricky. Kasi po meron tayong percent sign, then we have a decimal point. So noted na po kasi if ever meron pong decimal point, we won't be converting this percent sign to decimal point. Yung mangyayari is hindi na lang po natin i-acknowledge na merong ditong percent sign. Okay? So proceed tayo to second step. since meron na po tayong decimal point, then we will be moving this 2 places to the left again. Okay? As you can see, kulang po tayo ng isa pang digit. So, I will just add another one, 0. Then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 2. Here and 0. So that would be 0.002. Okay?
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so welcome back. So in this scenario naman po, we will be converting decimals into percent. So actually po, same thing rin po yung process niya sa converting percent to decimal. Yung pagkakaiba lang po is we will be moving the decimal point to the right. So in converting decimal to percent, we will be moving the decimal points 2 places to the right. So to the right, everything you own, just like it to the right. Wale. So in this case, we will only move the decimal point 2 places rin, pero sa right naman po. So I will just rewrite these digits. 0.98. Then we will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, 1, 2. Aray. So nandito na yung place ng decimal point. Then after moving the decimal point, we will now change the decimal point to a percent sign. Gagawin ng percent. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. So this would be 98%. Actually guys, yung ginawa ko dito is yung shortcut way. Because another way of doing this is by dividing the digit without the decimal point by 100. Now in this case, it will consume a lot of time in doing this process. So mas madali po if i-move na lang po natin yung decimal point 2 places to the right. Same thing rin po yung outcome niya. Okay? So in the second problem, we have 22.76. So in this case, meron tayong 4 na digit and the decimal point is at the center of it. Same thing rin po yung process. So I will just rewrite the number 0.76. Same thing rin po. We will be moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. To the right. Then having the decimal point place, we will be converting it to a percent sign. So the answer would be 2,000. Wow, nakalaki. 2,076%. Ganun lang po. So in our final problem, we have 0.12568. So ganun pa rin yung process. I will just rewrite the numbers. 2568. So we have the decimal point here. We will be moving this 2 places to the right. So nandito na yung decimal point natin, and we'll be converting this into a percentage sign. So we will be having 12.568. So So in this case, malilito po tayo. Kasi po dapat yung percentage sign is nandito. So if maka-encounter po kayo ng problem tulad nito, it is considered na po na yung percentage sign will be always at the end at the end right of the digits. Opo. Ganun po. Hindi po natin ilalagay yung percentage sign dito. Same thing happened rin po sa converting decimals to percent. Yung kanina po, parang binali wala na lang po natin yung parang nakalimutan ko. Binali wala na lang po natin yung placement ng decimal point. And then we proceed on adding the percentage sign at the end right of the digits. Okay, so this will be the end of our topic in converting percent to decimals and vice versa, decimals to percent. So please do comment down below, like and subscribe, and please do click the notification bell to inform you na nag-upload pa ako ng new videos concerning mathematics that is related to the civil service examination. So thank you po, and God bless.